Hello students. Now your first chapter is over. Now today is your result day. Congratulations for your results. Now we start the chapter 2, data representation. Data representation means in this digital means computer. How can we represent a data? Means what digits, what symbols we can use to represent a data. The digits or symbols is based on the base of the number system. There are many number systems are used. The common is the decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Data representation means we are representing a data using the digits. Now, digits is depend on base. The base of the number system means if you are using the decimal number system, the base of the decimal number system is 10. Means base 10. Then digits are base 10. The digits are from 0 to 1 less than base. Means the digits in decimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 to 10 minus 1 means using this digit you can write any number in the decimal format. Above 9 or means using these digits you can write any number of the decimal. Decimal in the day-to-day common use. Decimal number system. So any number just like 13, 25, 71 all are the decimal number. So any decimal number base is the 10 and digits are from 0 to 9. So you can use this digit and write any decimal number. Now the binary. Binary number base is 2 and the digits are 0 and 1. Means if you are writing a number in the binary format, then you can use these two digits only. Using these two digits, you can write any number in a binary format. Not above 1. Octal number. Octal number base is the 8 and the digit used to write a octal number is from 0 to 8 minus 1, that is 7. Means from 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Means if a number is in the octal number, the digit should not exceed the 7. For writing a number in an octal format, you can use these digits only. Hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number is the base 16 and the number of digits using this to write a hexadecimal number is from 0 to 15. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to okay. But 10 means 10, not 0, 1 and 0. Means not 2. It's a single one. How can you represent? So using 10 we use symbol A. A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D, E, F. F is for 15. Means you can represent from 0 to 15. This is the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Means using, if you are writing A, means here this digit is 10. Not this is not 2 digit. This is a single digit called 10, that is A. Means 10 symbols from 0 to F. You can write any hexadecimal number using this symbol. Now start. Now conversion. You have seen this. I have taken the 4. In the real world, there is available more than 4. Means not the decimal, binary, octal and hexa, more than 4. So, lots of number system, different ways. So, to represent a single number, we are using any base. But remember in mind, if a number represent in any base, the value should not be compromised. Means, if you are taking a number, convert it to another format, then when you revert back, you should have you should meet the same number. Value compromisation should not be there. Means value of the number will not be changed when you are converting from a number base to another numbers. From binary to octal or hexa or decimal to convert any one. But the value should not be compromised. Now start. Conversion. First conversion from decimal number to binary. Decimal number, base 10, whatever we are using in the general term, that is the decimal number. Means 34, 29, 17, all are the decimal numbers. Now, decimal number means base 10, binary number means base 2. Now take a decimal number and you have to convert it into the binary. Then how can we convert a decimal number into a binary format? Take an example, take 17. You have, this is in the decimal number. You have to convert it into the binary number. How can you convert? Take the number and divide it by 2. Take the remainder and do the division up to when the divisor will be the 0. Okay, take an example. 17 divide by 2. It will divide up to 8 and will meet a remainder 1. 2 cross 8 16. 16 times it will divide completely and it will will leave a remainder 1. Then again divide 8 again by 2. It will divide 4 times and will leave no remainder. Right? Then divide 4 again by 2. It will go 2 times and no remainder. Then divide 2 again with this. It will go 1 times and no remainder. Then divide by 2. It will go to 0 times and 1 remainder. There should be confusion in this. Look at this. divide 1. 0 times square, 0 and 1 remainder. Here is 1 remainder, 0 times and 1 remainder. Then read it from this side. The value is 10001. Means in the decimal it's a 17, in the binary 1001. Now I told you earlier the number value should not be compromised. Means if you are taking a number, convert it to the binary, but when you revert back, means from binary to go to the decimal one, you should meet with the same number. You should have with the same number. Now, to rechecking this conversion is okay or not, just convert it to the decimal one. If you receive the same number, then conversion is okay. If you are receiving not the same number, then conversion is wrong in some midway. Right? Now, convert this binary number to decimal number. Then how we can convert the binary to the decimal? Take a binary number and start from here. First digit multiplied by base. Base, write it from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Place. Base to the power the place number. Base to the power 0. Now start this one and combine all this. Now take the example of this one. First 1 multiplied by 2p power 0. Then 0 multiplied by 2p to the power 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. 1 base to the power position value. Start from the 0, right? Digit value multiplied by base to the power position number. Second value, second digit multiplied by the base to the power the positional value plus digit value multiplied by base to the power position value plus digit value multiplied by base to the power position value plus digit value multiplied by the base to the power position value. Now sum up. Equal to 1 to the power 1 cross 2 to the power 4, that is called the 16. 2 to the power 1 is called 2, 2 to the power 2 is called 4, 2 to the power 3 is called 8, 2 to the power 4 is called 16. Plus 0 multiplied by anything is called 0, 0 multiplied by anything is called 0, 0 multiplied with anything is called 0, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. And this is 16 plus 1, that is 17. That is our number from which we have started. We have started 16 to the base 10. Converted to the binary, this binary number we achieved. Then we go back to the decimal. We occupy the same number, means the conversion is the correct one. Okay. Now I am giving you some homework here. Convert number 23 45, 39, 15 to binary. Complete this one and send me through that app. You have the link. Do this conversion, click the photo and send me the photo. Okay, thank you.